What's up, y'all? So I'm about to show y'all how I do these yarn locks that I did. This is my first time, y'all, and I still need some practice, but I think I did a bomb job. So let me go ahead and show y'all how I put these last two in my head. So sorry, I'm moving the camera up a little closer so if it look like it's moving or whatever. But yeah, so let me jump in. I'm gonna link all the names of the colors in the description box, so y'all make sure y'all check that out. So I already pre-cut my hair. Well, yarn because it ain't hair, but it's in my hair, so it's my hair. So anyway, so I'm using 8 strands. When I first started, I didn't know how much yarn I was gonna use, how big I want. I didn't know all these things until like I got down to like, you know, doing it and getting the hang of it and finding my own motion and stuff. So let me show y'all how I did this. I did this to my whole head. I just think that, you know, it was a little bit more simple. They got other people who will take yarn and then braid and then wrap it. I'm not going to go through all that, but I think I found this way much easier for me. So let me go ahead and show y'all how I do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip one of these little people out the way. Okay, so these are my colors. These are the 4 colors that I have. Why are you only seeing 3? All right, here we go. So, okay. Maybe they can be even or a little bit uneven, but that's what I did. So, hold on to one. Just hold it at the root, and you're just gonna wrap it. Babe, I thought I told you to get out the way. Come on now. So we're just gonna wrap. So it does get a little tight up here. So what I'm gonna do, I should have brought the other one over here. Oops. So you just, because it gets tighter at the root of your hair, so you want to have a clip or something to protect that from happening. So I'm going to use this clip. Ooh. And I'm going to continue to wrap. So when it starts getting short like this, I just hold it and then I take some from over here and I just start wrapping. Y'all hear that? I'm sitting like near a window, so the AC is like kind of like outside that window. So if you hear it, don't mind it. It's just the AC coming back on. Okay, I need to find one to measure. So this is what I have. This is what I'm well, finish wrapping. So I'm gonna take like one of the longer strands like this, and I'm gonna wrap it again, and then I'm gonna tie, make a loop. And do that about a good 3 to 4 times. What's gonna look like before I cut it and stuff. So take the excess off. Try not to cut the knot because it will unravel. Then you take your lighter. Burn. I do it here too. You know, kind of like to seal it. Like this. I'm gonna show y'all one more time because this is my last one. My last one. Uh-oh, I messed up. Well, it's the first time everything, right? So let's go ahead and do the other one. This one here doesn't have any orange in it. It don't have any orange. So this one is just these the 3 colors. And if you find it getting tangled, you just rub your fingers through it. I think it's much easier than, oh excuse me, box braids, because I mean, well, it's a little time consuming, like pros and cons with them or whatever, but I prefer it this way. It's a mess, but it's less of a mess with box braid. Hair be everywhere with box braids, and most of the time you can't really see the hair. It depends on what area you're working in. Eventually you might find clothes. Y'all hear that too, that's the dumb people. They just enforce, they just ruining my video. I don't know why I even said right here, but y'all gotta excuse all that, okay? Dumpster people are here to dump the trash. So let's get into this, okay? Make sure you wrap it at the root a couple of times. Tie it at the end a couple times. Ooh, I didn't even measure to see. Ooh, child, baby. Ooh. I am going to dip these and add some bling to it. So this is what they look like when they're down. Around, so you can see that. So I got these jewels from Amazon. You get these. So you can see them. They look like the hands. You got some stars. Of course, we got these. You get these little, they look like leaves. These are cute. Oops. And the gold ones. And my favorite ones are these. Cute, right? So I'm just gonna randomly select which ones I want and just put it in my... Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. I didn't put a whole lot of these little things on. I just put a few in random spots, but I did use the hand, the star, the shell, the leaf, and oh, and I used a few where you go? Oh, a few of these, but not that many, maybe like 2 or 3. I just randomly put them all over my head. And of course your girl had to fix her baby hairs, but that's gonna be it for this video. Oh, and this style took between 8 to 10 hours, so I hope you have those 8 to 10 hours to sit here and wrap, because this hairstyle is very time consuming. But after everything, it came out real cute. I was nervous, you know, when I got like 50% of my hair done, but then like when I started getting to the front, it started looking, you know, a little bit easier. Like okay, you know. But yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. This is... Now, What's that? Is that a piece of string? Yeah, I'm just gonna clip that up the way. I'm going to go and clip that in. So I started my hair yesterday about 2 something. I did it for maybe like an hour or so, but then, you know, of course mom life kicks in and you have to do what you need to do, you know. So I started again about 4 something, and I worked for like 4 hours. So right there, that's like 5 hours I worked completely doing my hair yesterday, and I finished the rest today. So it took me about a good 8 hours to do my hair. Some people say it takes them 10 hours. It only took me 8.5 hours to do this. And yep, I hope you guys like this. Hope you guys like this tutorial. I just can't keep my hands on my hair. It's crazy, something new. It's different. The colors are different. The hair texture, everything is just different. But yeah, guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning into this tutorial today, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Oh, and for all my new subscribers, welcome, hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying this content, because I have so much more in store for you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. If you haven't already, subscribe to our family channel. The link will be in the description box. Come on to the Ross Family TV. Come on and see what we got in store. This channel here is just for beauty, hair, and all that good stuff. But make sure y'all subscribe to that channel. And also my little sister, she also has a YouTube channel, and she does makeup. So she's a future MUA. So y'all go ahead and check out her channel also. And that's gonna be it for this video, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.